In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up warm-up in Lemlist. First, log into your Lemlist account and go to the deliverability section from the left sidebar. At the top of the page, click the warm-up tab. This is where Lemlist tracks your mailbox warm-up activity and deliverability metrics. If you see a message saying that no mailboxes are linked for warm-up, you'll first need to connect an email account. To do that, go to Settings, then open Sending Settings. Under your sending email address, click the Settings button beside the connected inbox. From there, make sure your mailbox is properly connected and active. Once your inbox is connected to Lemlist and warm-up is enabled on your plan, Lemlist automatically handles the warm-up process in the background through Lemwarm. You can then return to the deliverability page to monitor inbox rate, spam rate, deliverability score, and reply placement over time. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.